Matrix Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking mainly about the incident where little youth by the name of Xavier Phillips lost his life in Clarendon. Right. I'm also going to briefly mention something that the Klansman witness said in his statement. Right. When you really want to see this. But Xavier Phillips, affectionately known as Bojo. Grandmother left, right, so she left him in the yard. Right. Little boy stay already. Right. Him gonna watch the bigger him play ball. Right. Harmless. 99% of the people who are listening to this can probably relate. When you're a little youth, well, most youth in general love football, love ball game, anyway, any kind of sports or action there. Right. The bigger man them play and you did watch. Used to be something where you could, lie down in your bed and know, so well, him soon come back. Or when I watch ball, oh alright then, everything alright. That was old time Jamaica. Not the Jamaica that we've been seeing for the last 3 or 4 decades. Right now, come like say the pit them are gonna need one of them guardsman or King Alarm truck there. When them used to carry out money in like Brinks, like that pit never go start move on, Yeah. 87s pull up ball field, man jump out that car, you know 87s and for them shooting already. The little youth, right, lose him life. Other people were injured, but Xavier Phillips lose him life. Pick up around them upper body. Them little body there, right, small frame, more than likely a high powered weapon, the odds are against him. So, he's laid to rest now. Where is it on your screen? I'm Sepulchre. I see him in the background, AJ, Bojo. As you can see, you can get a nice little Benz, film Sepulchre. Him look a dream car, drop top. Notice on the front it's 2013. That would have been the year of his birth. 2013, imagine somebody born 2013 and already gone on the grave. Not from Big C, not from the mystery illness, where them don't know the cure, but from gunshot. 2013. See, look who Bojo didn't get the chance to grow up, come buy him own a Benz. So them dead and gone, them have to make one film, and him Sepulchre, that's Jamaica. Irie man, no problem man. And these stories are not unique. How much time when they see me cover them? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-year-old. Sometimes I'll baby them and titty. The man them sent to an early grave. The man them wanna rate so much. The man them wanna look up to and idolize. The man them who, right, other man wanna be and Kerosenes wanna be with. This is the ugly reality of crime and violence. An 8-year-old getting a Benz Sepulchre. A little youth who not start live no life yet. Born in 2013 already, I go lie down in the dirt. And of course there's no national uproar. Matter of fact, no people are going to think to themselves, hold on, I went this something. First, I hear about it. Of course, at the first I hear about it, what do you expect to hear about it? But you thought there's going to be uproar, social media, what you thought your favorite celebs were going to jump on it and get a push? No. We have more than enough case studies now to demonstrate. Say, I really hype people that look. People look on, see social media, see what the buzzwords, what the trending topics, right? Then jump on it, repost it, get them like 100 likes, 200 likes, and then call it a day. There is no motivation as a nation to make it clear that this type of thing will not be tolerated. There is none. This is why I find it hard to take the masses seriously. If them can't rally for an 8-year-old, them can't rally for 10-year-old, them can't. How we must believe them and take them seriously and say them rally for other people. Enough people don't even live in Jamaica. Enough people now nothing to do Jamaica, but it's a trend. Yo, why you jump on that? Oh, because I care, lie you tell. You care about man and who you more than you care about Bojo from Clarendon. Bojo who you can relate to. When you ask them, yo, why you kind of caught up in another case, right? Sometimes on the case them living in Jamaica, why you so emotionally invested in that case? Oh, you know, because of the innocence, more innocent than Bojo. No, you're caught up in the likes. Right. Caught up in the trend. Until me see Jamaicans right, going to uproar for youths like Bojo, you can't take Jamaican masses seriously. Sorry, but we don't believe you. You need more people. We don't believe you. Look on the back of Bojo car. See? 2021 AJ. So the front said 2013 and the back said 2021. Get it? 2013 in born, 2021 in gone. So you can get him two exhaust pipe on each side. Look like it's a V8 Benz. And, you know, drop top. See little gear stick. 2 cup holder. The brother who do this, very talented. Very talented considering say in budget would have been very small. Resources limited. And him still can create something like this. Where we can clearly identify what the vision is. He's a very talented designer. Very talented sculptor. But it not change the sadness of the situation. An 8-year-old not supposed to get him supposed to draw up already and a sketch out. Not for them reason, Not for from the rounds, from the matic. I must see sickness. I must see one car fly around and never see him and bounce him. But rounds from the barrel of a 87 gun. Complete madness. And unfortunately Bojo won't be the last. No one already know. Foolishness man dead, then come to kill what man for man. Sometimes I don't notice nothing but going at the wall, yeah, and then him shot him and then him come shot. Because of the same foolishness over and over. I realize enough people more interested in them Fury 87 than they are in the victims of these 87s. They rather hear about how much nude up he get and actually hear about the actual people who might turn in a quote-unquote dopey. I was reasoning with one of the top agents in the PIA and he said something to me interesting. He said people have talked about brand Jamaica. If brand Jamaica is so big, brand Jamaica is so popular worldwide, right? Global brand Jamaica. Imagine if it was in the hands of people who know what they do. Imagine if the Jamaican people were on top of their game. Imagine if Jamaican leaders were on top of their game. If brand Jamaica can be so big and so bossy, no, with all the mediocrity and underachievement, with all the crime and all the foolishness, with all basically every ministry underachieving, suppose Jamaica they actually know where. Suppose Jamaica didn't know where to do. Suppose we know to make a nation like how we know to make up excuses for mediocrity. Look on your screen, please. Where you see my underline in red? That come out of the mouth of the Klansman witness who testify now. Let me start from the top. Him say, a foot soldier, that is who you hear me refer to as a 87, was a person who go out and kill people and carry out duties for the gangs. He explained that some of the 87s were more respected than others, right? You get that? Some 87s were more respected than others. Listen up, what differentiates them. It all depends on the amount of people them kill. So them gain respect based on the amount of people them kill. This, when I go see this, the same little screen grab right here, so when I go see it for about the next 12 months. Culture and mindset. culture and mindset. People will tell us, them study this and study that, and them go up on criminology course in a Winnipeg. And tell us, and then come back and tell us, well, it's because the poverty, and if Jamaica tops murder child because of the poverty, and if people just had more money and more income, and cut the crap. You to grow up in a certain place. You to grow up in an acidic environment. When him look round, the people him see get all the praise, get all the ratings. They're often criminals. So you know what him want? You know what him aspire to do? Turn 1 2. When him look on him see sci-fi of all the ratings. When him look on him see James Hines of all the ratings. Him see JJ Nakis. Him see Bad Fram. Him see Bigger Crime. Him see Perky Boy of all the ratings. You think say can go tell him the foolishness more for go to school with an electrician? In a few years, a bad word they tell him. He might think to himself, a fool ya. Why me not do that? One time he can just be like J-Bad. J-Bad never did that. Look how much girls him have. Look how everybody heal him. Every time they walk past him, they heal him. When dancer keep and him walking the dance, the selector stop the tune. The selector stop the tune and say, big up, sci-fi. Then take it one step further, him go all hear sci-fi name in a song. We are going to tell you they both go take up no school and go turn. What? You mean you're a nerd? That's not cool. That's lame. Why you think the little boy tell the same one go become turn gunman? The youth them realize in an acidic environment, being a killer is a credit to your reputation. Being a murderer is a star next to your name. Remember in a school when they do well, you get some stars. Star next to you, and the more people you kill, the more stars they get, and the more stars they get, right, and the bigger your standing in the community. Money. The same witness telling us a man go on amps $8,000. And he was being generous. Enough man to get that. I don't know for the big man they will get that. Clansman go on hit for all $3,000-5,000. Some man they get nothing. The money when enough of the youth them get for go on apps, and less than what them get if they will get a legal work. A matter of fact, a man in a community, right, have a job for example, he's a handyman, and he might get paid more than a clansman 87. A man can have a job, right, where in cut grass. Right. A man can have a job where he might paint or things like that, and he might get paid more than a clansman 87. But in the community, the clansman 87 respect is higher than his. The painter can't get the girl them where the 87 can get, and the youths them see that. The painter don't get, right, the reverence and adoration where the 87 get. The youths them see that. Tell me the song where you and nobody big up. No painter, no gardener, no mechanic, or no. You like tell me no. It might be a little one token charity, can enough time and do that. Train a little one charity. You got but listen to 99% of it. Gunman. Show me the song where you hear any favorite female artist them say. Painter, she want in her hole. Send me that song, you know. Send me the song where say electrician in she hole, teacher in she hole, fireman in she hole, plumber in she hole. Send me that song, you know. You can't send me, it don't exist. Culture and mindset. So I look at 87 realize, say, hold on, if me want to get this, remember him don't have one quote unquote up here already, you know. But him realize that him not have the respect where somebody like Scott have, where somebody like Sus have. somebody like Bingy have, somebody like Nevada Hatches have. So you know when he can't wait to go up on the next apps. Him just want to hear somebody, him don't even want to linger to find out the motive. Him just want to make a next up because the more he make, the more ratings him get. And the crime rate is a spike. And not only that, just using rounds not good enough. Now them have to start take off head, fling with hand, fling with foot. Now them start go extreme with it because just shooting man is not enough because in a gang like Klansman, a gang like Stone Crusher, all that 87 them are shoot people, so that's a regular thing now. So here what now, here we go do for really separate yourself from the rest of the gang. Fling with hand, fling with foot. Right. Take it, put it in the middle of the street, put kangaroo on it, light kangle. Yeah man, see there, no man, the wickedest thing alive. Reputation boost. Pay ratings they get. Oh, them under a real man, them under a real killer. That's a praise in Jamaica. That's not a diss. Them under the general. Why you say that? Him find the cure for Big C? No man, no. Him shot about 30 people. I'll pit me too. You know what the story about look at you, Xavier, Bojo, you know, saw him with him up. Yeah man, give him about 3 in chest. Them man them is about nobody there, them under a real killer. Culture and mindset. So the Klansman instead of it depends on the amount of people them kill. You want to be respected in a Laristan, Jones Avenue, Top Banks, Norwood, Hendon. When them better high up and ready to go. We think you're going to be respected based on your morals and your values, and that you're hardworking and trustworthy. That's an old time Jamaica. I still need to shift the culture around. Wrong is right and right is wrong. A matter of fact, the more you walk the path of non-destruction, is the least chance you have of getting the kind of praise, right? With enough youth desire, with enough youth seek, enough young men, enough young boys seek validation. Right? We know say most of them already know a father. If you were a father, right, he's probably not even a masculine leader type, right, who command the respect of his son. Right? Son don't even want to hear nothing from him, because son sit down and watch him father him whole life and come to the conclusion, say, you know, say that brother you're a waste man, but they want to hear nothing from him. Start look for validation from Tesha, from Black Man. He may do anything for Tesha. I'll start calling him daddy. Matter of fact, he may go shoot him actual daddy for Tesha. It's culture and mindset. But don't listen to me still, I'm just a little YouTuber. Just you all fix Spanish tone. Just give BA money to them youth. Them youth away. Right? As the witness say, the amount of people them kill and get more respect. Give each of them 100 million. That will end crime. That will solve all our problems. Just more money. Just dash BA money upon them. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up himself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.